It's okay to face challenges. It's okay. As a matter of fact, life without challenges is all. It doesn't make any sense. You have to be in a position to face issues, because these issues, as a man, if you sit down and tackle them, they're the ones that will provide solutions in your life. As a matter of fact, most men are doing the vice versa. Instead of facing the issues that they are having, they just run to vices like freaking crazy. You find that 30-year-old man is still drinking, and he started drinking probably when he was 17. It doesn't make any freaking sense. As a man, you have to sit down, observe what is ruining your life, then be like, no, I gotta stop this, period, and I'm gonna solve this shit and at least make a significant change in my life, because that is all it is. We are men, we handle issues. Let's do this.